Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your Halifax Bank online banking password. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Halifax Bank. Click on this first website over here. On the top right corner, we can see this sign in option. So let's tap on this. Now we need to enter our username and click on forgotten your signing details here. Now if you'd like to change the password, click on first, and if you want to change other details, you can go on next steps as well. So let's go on for password and click on continue. Now we need to enter our username here. Enter your first name and last name. Enter the date of birth. Once you are done, simply click on continue, after which verification of your details will be done and you will get a verification code in your email you have used while creating or registering your online banking. After which we can reset our password. So this is all we can do to reset password of Halifax online banking. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.